Frontline healthcare workers are about as skeptical of COVID-19 vaccination as the population at large, surveys have found, but the reluctance of some to roll up their sleeves has surprised nonetheless. About half of hospital workers in Riverside County are passing on the vaccine for now, county spokeswoman Brooke Federico said. In Orange County, health providers report that some 30% of workers are holding back, said Dr. Clayton Chau, OC Health Care Agency Director. Other healthcare systems have reported that a quarter or more of their staffers are hesitant, and these concerns may play a role in the slower-than-expected rollout of the largest mass vaccination campaign in history. "I'm worried about fertility side effects for myself and wife, who is also a nurse," said a man who works in Los Angeles and hopes to have kids. While many dark and flatly incorrect rumors swirl in cyberspace, that the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines can give you COVID, that they alter your DNA, the primary concern among healthcare workers is identical to the primary concern of the general public. Surveys have found, are the vaccines really safe? That half of Riverside County's hospital workers didn't get the vaccine on this first-round pass is not surprising, said Kim Saruwatari, the county's public health director. People may have been on vacation. They may be waiting to see what happens, in terms of side effects. There may be a variety of reasons. The county fully expects to boost the number of hospital workers who get shots, but, in the meantime, vaccines aren't going to waste. The health department directed hospitals to administer them to firefighters, paramedics, emergency medical technicians and other first responders, so as not to squander precious vaccine with a limited shelf life, Saruwatari said. That move has been successful, she said. They're using vaccines that would otherwise expire to inoculate these groups so no doses would be wasted. Federal officials had high hopes that 20 million people would be vaccinated by the end of 2020. As of January 5, though, fewer than 5 million Americans had received shots, according to data from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control. In California, nearly 1.3 million doses of vaccine have landed, with another 611,000 expected this week. Just a fraction of that, 456,980 doses, have been injected into people's arms as of January 5, according to the CDC and Governor Gavin Newsom. Orange County has used about one-third of the vaccine it has received so far, Chau said. It's gone too slowly for many of us, Newsom said at a briefing on Monday, January 4. We are working aggressively to accelerate the pace. Ellipsis. We want to see 100% of what's administered immediately in people's arms.